Hi everybody. Our book this week is called Solomon Sneezes. Solomon's snorkel has such a big sneeze, he can blow all the leaves off the sycamore trees. He can empty the beehives of all of the bees. That's what Solomon's sneezes can do. Solomon's snorkel has such a large sneeze, he can knock several skiers right out of their skis. He can break open locks so he doesn't need keys. That's what Solomon's sneezes can do. Solomon's snorkel has such a great sneeze, he can topple a giant down onto his knees. He can shear an old sheepdog and scatter its fleas. That's what Solomon's sneezes can do. Whoops. Solomon's snorkel has such a strong sneeze, from east coast to west, folks are chilled by the breeze. Look how cold they are. And way up on Mars, they're afraid they might freeze. That's what Solomon's sneezes can do. Solomon's snorkel has such a huge sneeze. On top of the mountains and under the seas, everyone quakes when they hear Solly wheeze, for they know what his sneezes can do. So Solomon, please don't. Achoo! And that's the end.